Have you ever been in a meeting where people start talking over one another, arguing back and forth, and all of a sudden things feel like they've gotten completely out of control? Why is it that some meetings feel structured and professional while others feel like a complete free-for-all? The answer might come down to this one practice: speaking through the chair. Whether you're in a council meeting, a boardroom, or a community organization, understanding this rule can help increase productivity, professionalism, decrease the chance that there might be conflicts, and help ensure that each member gets a fair chance to speak. But what does it mean to speak through the chair? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what it means to speak through the chair, and why it's such a fundamental part of our formal meetings. Okay, let's dive in. Picture this. You're in a meeting and somebody says something that you completely disagree with. Your instinct. You turn to them and say, "That's completely not true." And just like that, the meeting gets tense. Voices get raised. They fire back. And all of a sudden, it's no longer a discussion. It's an argument. Now, this is exactly why in formal meetings, there's a rule. You don't direct your remarks directly to another member. You make your comments to the person chairing the meeting. This is called speaking through the chair. Speaking through the chair means that all of the comments, all of the discussion, all of the remarks are directed to the presiding officer, the chairperson, rather than talking directly member to member. So next time another member says to you something that you don't agree with, instead of turning to them and saying that's completely wrong, you'll direct your remarks to the chair. "Madam Chair, I would like a chance to respond. I disagree with the member on this issue because of A, B, and C." Now, this isn't just for big legislative chambers or city councils. Even in smaller boards, committees, or community meetings, speaking through the chair helps keep discussions structured and fair. It prevents side conversations, keeps the focus on the issue, not personal conflicts, and ensures that the meeting stays on track. It's standard across the parliamentary authorities, including the ones that we've been paying special attention to here on this channel: Robert's Rules of Order, AIP's Standard Code of Parliamentary Procedure, and Borneau's Rules of Order. For more on why this rule matters, check out my video, 10 Reasons Why You Should Be Speaking Through the Chair. It dives into how this practice can keep meetings fair, reduce conflict, and help ensure that members are able to contribute equally and fairly. I'll be sure to leave a link down below in the description. So the next time that you find yourself in a formal meeting, remember, don't argue with another member directly. Speak through the chair. It's a small shift, but it'll make a huge difference when it comes to productivity, professionalism, and fairness. All right, meeting adjourned for this episode of Parliamentary Inquiry. If you found this interesting or helpful, hit the like button, and remember to drop any questions that you have down in the comment section. If you're looking for step-by-step breakdowns of procedural items, check out the series Order of Business. If you're interested in more long-form conversation around issues pertaining to meeting rules and procedure, check out Point of Order. If you're looking for general insights into how to make your meetings more effective, The Monthly Grind is the series for you. For now, why not watch one of these 2 videos here or here, and I will see you next time.